What is going on? Tsunamayo here and welcome for another gameplay video of Skywanderers. So in this video we are gonna play a little bit with a control panel like this one, and also we are gonna talk about system and how you activate it and the logical mechanism in the game. So for now I'm gonna start by playing a little bit with this holo map over here. So let's say we want to activate it remotely. So we can use various buttons, so like these two, and we just need to simply link them. So I'm just right clicking right now, so it's really easy to do like that. And then now I can use the button to simply open the Galaxy holo map. So that was pretty simple. So now as you can see there is a lot of screen displaying various information, and actually these bricks are also very generic, so it means that they are not specific to a system, so you can simply build it and then link it to a system, so like this holo map, and it will start to display information. So as you can see, for example, we are displaying information on the sector we are currently looking at. So I can look at another place, and then if we zoom enough, we'll be able to start to select star like that, and then we can see information on the star actually selected like this one. Okay, so for example, let's select this one like this. Okay, so that was quite simple, but this is not the only screen we have. So for example, we can use this one, which is pretty neat. Sorry, this one. Okay, and this one, as you can see, is just a holo screen, so it can be quite efficient to use in a cockpit, for example, where space is limited. Or also there is this screen here that we can use. Okay, so it's really very generic part that you can use with a lot of different systems. Okay, so that was just for command panel. So now let's move to another topic. Okay, so let's play a little bit with this hangar door like that. So let's put a screen first. We'll link it to the sliding brick, and now we'll put a different activator command. Okay, so with this command, as you can see, this is actually a slider command, and we will be able to control by how much we want the door to open. So it's not 0% or 1%, so it is open at 60%, for example, and I can really fine-tune by how much I want the door to open with this system. So we'll see in just a moment. It can be quite convenient to create a special contraption. So now obviously we have two doors, so what if we want to activate these two doors at the same time? So this will be really easy. So we just need this brick. Okay, so we link this brick. So let me put a button. So this brick will basically duplicate the signal. So the blue part is the input, and then I will now click on the orange one, okay, which is the output, and I will link both output to both door like that. So now I will be able to control the both door at the same time. So now I just need to sync them actually, because they are not on the same state. So I can simply click on one of the outputs on that brick, and now they are really both closed at the same time. So I can now click and activate both doors. So yep, so that was quite easy. And let's move to the next subject. Okay, so let's talk about a different system, which is a rotating block. Okay, so this is the block in question. So as you can see, I can activate it, and my construction will start to rotate. like that, but it will do a full 360 degrees, so it might not be exactly what we want. So for example, if you want to create a system that will open just at a certain angle like that, like this trapdoor, we gonna need a little bit of a logical gate, so which is very much equivalent to redstone in Minecraft actually. So let's put a AND gate like that, so more like that. And the AND gate actually is quite simple. So this one is analogic because there is value between 0 and 1, not only 0 or 1. So, but it will really act the same as the digital one. So it will output actually the minimum between the two values. So let's say, for example, now it's 0 at both. If I put this one at 50, it's still 0. But now if I start, so sorry, I just need obviously to link the output to my brick. So now if I start to move this one, it will move at 90 degrees actually. So it's really this way that you can create a system like that. So obviously there is a more logical gate, like the OR or the not gate, the delay one, the constant one. So this is done like that with a block where you can output exactly the value you want to stop the door. So that's really the basic. And also you can combine all the system you want. So for example, we can put a sliding system on top of our rotating system, so we can create really a nice contraption as we want. Okay, so one last thing before we end the video is actually the laser sensor brick, like that, which will be really convenient to activate stuff when you walk through it. So to make it work, we just need to put a basis like here, and now we need to link this brick to, for example, this rotating chair like that, and when we step on the laser, it will activate the system. Okay, so that's really the basic, and it will not be activated by block, but okay, so just activated by character. So that's it for today. So really stay tuned, and thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.